Industrial floating shelves are a stylish and practical addition to any home or office. There are many products available to choose industrial floating shelves, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best industrial floating shelves from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bestier Pipe Shelf Industrial Floating Shelving. This industrial design floating shelf is an attractive decoration for modern and retro home style. The shelf is mounted on the wall without taking up too much space. The wall plant shelf is easy to clean and has a sturdy structure. It has 2-tier storage, a towel bar, and 8 hooks for easy hanging of daily gadgets. It is easy to assemble with step-by-step instructions and all accessories included. Number 2. Bestier Floating Shelves for Wall. The Bestier floating shelves offer a versatile storage solution with a clever foldable design. You can easily adjust the shelves from 3 tiers to 2, accommodating items of various heights without hassle. Made from durable materials, these shelves can support up to 25 pounds, ensuring they remain stable and reliable for your needs. Their wall-mounted design helps you save valuable floor space, making them perfect for any room in your home. Finally, these shelves are easy to assemble and clean, allowing you to set them up quickly and maintain their appearance with minimal effort. Number 3. Helson 3-Tier Industrial Pipe Shelf Rustic Wood Floating Shelves. The Helson 3-Tier Industrial Pipe Shelf is a versatile and retro-style wall-mounted storage solution made of iron pipes and wood. It is extensively treated to resist rust and can be used both indoors and outdoors. The 3-tier wood floating shelves can be used for different purposes, making it perfect for various rooms, including the kitchen, bathroom, living room, and office. The product is heavy-duty and can be used for decoration and display. The package comes with all necessary mounting hardware and instructions. It is easy to clean and comes in an upgraded gift box package, making it a perfect gift for loved ones. Number 4. YMYNY Industrial Pipe Shelf Bracket. The YMYNY Industrial Pipe Shelf is a versatile and stylish storage solution for your home. With its 3-tier design, it provides ample storage space while saving valuable floor space. The combination of the sturdy wrought iron pipes and the durable reclaimed wood ensures stability and durability, making it suitable for long-term use. Whether you need to store books, photo frames, flower pots, utensils, or ornaments, this pipewood wall shelf is perfect for any room in your home, from the bedroom to the office. The easy assembly process and included tools and instructions make installation a breeze. Enhance the elegance and luxury of your living space with the YMYNY Industrial Pipe Shelf. Number 5. Bestier 3-Tier Industrial Pipe Shelving. The Bestier Industrial Pipe Shelves are perfect for maximizing your wall space while adding charm to any room. With 3 tiers, these shelves allow you to showcase your favorite items, from books to decorative plants. They come with 8 S-shaped hooks, giving you a convenient way to hang kitchen tools or cups. The integrated towel bar adds extra functionality, making it ideal for bathrooms or kitchens. Constructed from durable materials, each shelf supports up to 20 pounds, ensuring your belongings are safely displayed and easily accessible.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.